How to download MovieBox on different devices 2025. MovieBox is a popular third-party application that lets users stream and download movies and TV shows. However, it's not available on official app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store due to its use of copyrighted material. Because of this, downloading and using it comes with potential legal and security risks. How to download MovieBox on different devices. Since MovieBox is not in official app stores, you need to use alternative methods. The process varies depending on your device. On Android. 1. Enable unknown sources. On your Android device, you'll first need to allow app installations from outside the Google Play Store. Go to your phone's settings, then to Security or Biometrics and Security, and toggle on Install Unknown Apps, or a similar setting. 2. Download the APK file. Search for MovieBox APK download from a web browser. It's crucial to download the APK file from a trusted, reputable website to minimize the risk of downloading malware. 3. Install the app. Once the download is complete, open the file from your notifications or your device's Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the app. On iOS. Downloading MovieBox on an iPhone or iPad is more complicated as iOS has stricter security. You cannot directly install an APK like on Android. Instead, you must use a third-party installer or side-loading tool. This process often involves using enterprise certificates, which Apple has not approved. These methods can be unreliable and may require frequent reinstallation. On PC or Mac, you can't install MovieBox directly on a desktop operating system. To run the app, you need to use an Android emulator. 1. Download and install an emulator. Download and install a reliable Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player on your computer. 2. Download the APK. Use the emulator's built-in browser to find and download the MovieBox APK file, just like you would on an Android phone. 3. Install the app. In the emulator, open the APK file to install MovieBox. The app will then run within the emulator, allowing you to use it on your computer. Legal and security risks. It's important to be aware of the risks associated with using unofficial streaming apps like MovieBox. Legality. MovieBox often provides access to copyrighted content without proper licensing. In many countries, streaming or downloading pirated material is illegal and could lead to legal consequences. Security. Since the app is not from an official store, it can be a source of malware, viruses, or adware. Downloading from untrusted sources can compromise your device and personal data. Some versions of the app have also been known to collect user data without proper encryption. Intrusive ads. Many users report that these apps are filled with pop-up ads, which can be a significant nuisance and sometimes lead to malicious sites. Due to these risks, it's generally recommended to use legitimate, subscription-based streaming services that host content legally.